friends, today I'll show you how to create this 2-minute super easy chignon. Firstly, we'll make our parting and we'll select our side sections. Then we want to twist away from our face these two sections and bring them back, tying them together. And just simply twist it like I'm showing. Now, we want to select a section of hair from underneath. From one side, bring your fingers through the opening of your half-up ponytail and bring this section through it like that. Make sure everything is nice and smooth and repeat on other side. Select your side section, bring your fingers through this construction and bring this section through it like so. Make sure everything is nice and smooth, and then grabbing all the hair left, you want to tie it with a clear elastic. Make an opening through the ponytail created and bring this ponytail through this opening. Tease a little bit your ponytail created, so you'll make sure that everything is nice and secure. And then making sure from underneath is everything nice and smooth, you want to measure it first and then tie the ends with a clear elastic. Roll the ends around your fingers and hide it under created bun and pin it from the sides, but make sure to pin it parallel to the floor so it will hold in place very well. I like to use 2 of them from both sides. Pull your created construction. Make sure to use hairspray or wax spray like I did, and our 2 minutes rolled bun is ready. Guys, I really hope you enjoyed today's hair tutorial. Don't forget to like it, subscribe to Awesome Hairstyles for more. But that's it for today. Love you so much and see you soon in my next one. Bye!